Hey guys, it's Anthony's Tech here, and today I'm going to show you how to install Linux Mint on VirtualBox. So let's get into it. Download for the ISO file that you will need in this video will be down in the description below. Okay, so once you download that file, what you will want to hit is new and name it Linux. Oh god, Linux Mint. And go down versions and make sure to look for Linux Mint if it's there for you. If it's not, but if Linux Mint is not there, choose Ubuntu 64-bit, hit next. Give it 4 gigabytes of RAM. That's recommended. So 4096, you can type it in this box if you want. So 4096 and click next. Create virtual hard disk now, and leave this the way it is. VDI, virtual box disk image, and leave that the same. And give it how much ever memory you want, but the minimum will be 20 gigabytes is the recommended. So we'll do 22. And now it is here, except do not hit run yet. So go to settings, go to storage, and under IDE controller, click on the blue disk that says empty, and click on the blue disk over here, and hit choose slash create, no, choose a disk file, then go under your downloads and select this, which you will be downloading, and hit open, and make sure that's there. It should be 1.8 gigabyte file. Now you can hit OK, but I'm just gonna look through everything real quick. You can give it as much video memory as you want, but I wouldn't mess around with that actually. Could mess it up actually. But anyways, if you have multiple monitors that you would like to use, you can switch your monitor count. But I only have one that I'm using. You also can enable 3D acceleration if it supports it, but now hit OK and start. Now that's opened, it should look like this. Hit start. Let me full screen this. And what you will want to do is start Linux Mint, or you can do OEM install for manufacturers if you want, or start in compatibility mode. But I would recommend start Linux Mint for any beginners. This should pop up right here. Wait for this to load. And it's an error. Never mind, it fixed itself. So, it may say an error message, but wait like 10 to 20 seconds and this will actually pop up. This is the cinnamon version of Linux Mint. And yeah, guys, this is it. You can go in its folders and everything. Oh yeah, comment down below what I should do next. And yeah, like I can install Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows XP, Kale Linux if you guys want. I don't know why you would want that. But anyways, let's go through the keyboard installation. I think you have to click that. But anyways, choose your keyboard layout and click next or continue in my case. You can do this if you want, but I'm not going to. Continue. Wait for this to load. Doesn't like me dragging this around. And you can erase disk and install Linux Mint. Now, anything inside the VirtualBox will stay inside the VirtualBox and it will not go out to your PC at all. It can't harm it in any way, and it even uses its own network driver, so it can't harm your network in any way. And you hit install now after this, and continue. Choose what pot you're from. I'm from Maine. If it will show Maine. Yeah, Portland, Maine. Yes. Yes. Continue. Your name, which is Anthony. Anthony's VirtualBox, Anthony. 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 And continue. Now it will install to the virtual machine, and every time you run it, it will load Linux Mint for you. Wait for this to download. I'm not cutting anything, so it'll show you the whole download process and how long it will take. I am running this on an M.2 drive right now, so it may be a little faster than your guys's, but I don't know that for sure. But anyways, make sure to like and subscribe and like the video to stay updated on newer videos. And yeah. Oh yeah, guys, just a quick break. Are you guys struggling in GTA 5 Online with money? If so, join Cashtastic. They have money packages and all that stuff. They are on a sale right now, so make sure to go catch them. The $10 billion package is the best package there. You can go from rank 1 to 8,000 and unlock all businesses and cosmetics. And you also get 10 modded outfits and cars of your choice. Make sure to go buy them and make sure to say I came from Anthony's Tech so I can get some credit. It'd be nice. And yeah, make sure to go check those guys out. Link will be in the description down below. But anyways, we can skip the data packages, I think. Yep. So if you don't want to install all the languages like French and all those other languages, Spanish, you can just hit skip so you can bypass that. Because if you only speak one language, you might as well only have English on there. Now, I'm not sure, but you may run into some hardware issues. Just contact me in the comments down below or in the Cashtastic server, and I'll help you out. It's almost done downloading. I think I can skip this too. Yep. So anytime that skip button lights up, you might as well click it because it's installing unnecessary stuff unless you guys want a full Linux Mint thing, which you always can install the packages later, but yeah. Skip. Installation has finished. You can continue testing Linux Mint for now, but you can restart and your save will not be preserved. So this is just testing out Linux Mint. So you will have to restart your computer, and if you hit restart now, it'll automatically restart it. Please. Now you have to press enter. And hopefully the VirtualBox removed the installation media. Yes, it did. If you see down here, the disk is no longer there. My password's Anthony. Wait for it to load. And now it's actually installed on your computer. Anthony, authenticate. Now you guys can do this on your own. It's pretty much self-explanatory. And yeah, guys, please make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, bye-bye.